Chris Gervaisi here with Desert Urban Homesteading. Here we are at the beginning of week 4 with our meat birds. I've left the feed tower here in this little enclosure so that Pig and Red, my composting chicken and pig, won't get into it. Alright, so I basically separated them. They're over here doing their job. It's got a little water bin, and as you see in the water there, I did go ahead and add a stone just in case they get in there, they're able to get back out and won't drown. As you see, the rest of them are over there just hanging out in the sun. They're going to have this whole little run here. They're also going to be able to get in this compost pile, scratch it up a bit, act like chickens, and they will stay here until we process these guys out. So again, I'll keep you updated and posted. Just keep on following. If you like what you see, please like us or subscribe to my page. Again, this is Chris with Desert Urban Homesteading. Little farm, big ideas. Come grow with us.